Alright guys, we are gonna talk about this wig because I cannot find the clip-in for the intro of the wig. Okay, so now this is a black cherry layered wig. This one is in body wave and it is 7x5 closure. Now it is perfect. It's also a drawstring. You guys have seen that you wear the drawstring. I showed you how I added the drawstring to the wig. It's very precise, it's very beautiful, and yeah, so it came pre-curled. The color is amazing, you guys will see that. But you know, with every wig purchase you get the wig in a bag and you get some goodies. So I did receive 2 packs of wig cap. I used one on the hair. I also received a edge brush, and I also received a edge band that I was wearing, and you get this bag to store your wigs. I absolutely love these bags. So that's all that came in the bag, and the pre-curl of the wig. You guys will definitely see that, but this is it. Let's get into the video. Yeah. Okay guys, let's get to the install with this BeautyForever hair. Yeah, let's get into it. I'm excited to put on a cherry color, like a burgundy color here. So let's bring a little bit of color in summertime, right? Alright, so I'm gonna put the cap on and we're gonna style the wig. I think I'm gonna do a nice style with this. I feel like I have something in mind and it's gonna look so good because it's a body wig as well. And let me get the caps and the edge done. It's a HD cap. Showed you guys this already. I think this is a one cap fits all. Alright, there we go. Definitely need to add makeup to this, so I'm gonna go in and add my makeup. Make sure you guys add makeup that way, especially when you get an HD lace. The cap color is not showing, okay? You have to ensure you add makeup. It's not gonna be nobody's fault. They give you a neutral color for you to work with. They didn't give you something black because not everybody have that tone. They give us white that we can work with. We can darken it, we can leave it as it is, depending on how your color is. Now this is a wig. I know you guys can see a little bit of the color, but I'll definitely show you more in the sunlight. So it's a drawstring wig. Showed you guys a drawstring already. We're gonna add this to my head and make sure, oh, it fits now. Wow. We're gonna make sure that we're not seeing the cap. No, the cap is showing a little bit. That's workable, but honestly, we might need the cap. See that? Perfect. That is so good. Alright, it's a 7x5 wig. It's pre-cut. Now I'm gonna curl it, so don't mind the curls that is in there. When you get a pre-curled wig, it's very easy for you to go back in and add curls to it. So this is the color. You guys are seeing the color a little bit, but we have to show it outside because once you step out, everyone is gonna be like, OMG, I love that color. Where can I get it? Alright, this is one of those wigs you're gonna have to recurl, okay? And we're definitely gonna do that. I'm not worried because it's gonna look so good. So the wig is snug, which means you can wear it glueless. We are gonna go around and we're gonna pull the drawstring. I'm not gonna lie, the fitting of this wig, yeah. Well, for my head size, the drawstring is just a plus. So just imagine someone who have a different head size, maybe a smaller head size or a bigger head size than me. It's gonna be perfect. I love the curve of it, so it looks natural. It still have the illusion to a frontal. Now hopefully you guys can see with the drawstring, and I've showed you guys tons of time how the drawstring works, but I'm still gonna show you guys. Okay, let's make sure that you guys can see. Hopefully it's not dark, but I'll talk. So this is it. The drawstring is out. The wig already fits my head perfect. So you have to pull it, the drawstring, and then you pull this down. There's a black thing on it. You pull it down. That's how you operate it. So it stays in place. Then whatever is left, the drawstring, you tuck it under. So it should be seamless and looking like this. You dig? Okay. Oh, I cannot get up, child. Okay. So now I am going to eat up the what is this called again? The hot comb and the curling iron. We're going to use these two to create some beautiful curls. So I'm going to start off with the hot comb to help the hair lay a little bit more flat, and also I'm going to define the parting so we could have a more precise parting. I am going to spray down this wig because I want it to stay on for a couple of days, so I will not leave it glueless. I am going to spray it down. I love this. All right, so yeah, let's go. I'll be back.
I'm up and down like a pogo, hands up like a pogo. Your love is divine, it never subsides. Seen through creative manifestations, there's been 2-year generations. Never failed me, never failed me. From the beginning of time, I will come running to you. I will always come running to you. I will come running to you. I will run coming to you, cause your love don't divide, no. Every day multiply. It got me on a high, no. Addition, no minus. Your love don't divide, no. Every day multiply. It got me on a high, no. Addition, no minus. It's like ABC, yeah. Simple as 1, 2, 3. It's like ABC, yeah. Simple as 1, 2, 3.
I wonder how it felt to cross the Red Sea after Israel was set free. Oh, what a crazy sight to see. It might have sounded like impossibility, but the supernatural ability has been made available for you and me. For the Son, Spirit be the Trinity. I got a lot of angels all in my vicinity. Just like Meshach, Shadrach, and Abednego, put their trust in Jehovah and never let go. Got the fourth man in the fire saying hello. Yeah, Jesus in the fire saying hello. 24 elders, they'll be casting crowns. At the mention of the name, every knee shall bow. If God is for me, who can stop me now? It's like ABC, yeah. Simple as 1, 2, 3. Hey, it's like ABC, yeah. Simple as 1, 2, 3. Your love don't divide.
Hey guys, we did our makeup. We are gonna take out the hair. Oops, one fell out. Perfect. All right, I'm definitely gonna go in. We are gonna comb out the curls just to see how it's gonna look. just a few adjustments. I know you guys cannot really see the color, so I'm gonna step outside. And this is what I like about this color wig is you can freelance with it. We're gonna turn on the hot comb. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil just to train the hair. I know you guys can see the color. Yes. Get into that. Okay guys, this is the grand finale of this wig. I love the burgundy color it gives the body wig. Like I said, the wig came pre-curl and it's perfect. It's a drawstring, but if you have a regular head size, the drawstring, perfect. It doesn't matter, but mine fits my head so good, where the drawstring is for if you have a smaller, medium, large, and mine fits so good. I love the curls that I added to the wig as well. For a 7x5, it's giving a frontal, and it is snug on my head. The curls came out perfect. I will definitely show you guys the color in sunlight because now it's giving mystery color. You can hardly see that burgundy, but it is so good. It's on the darker side, but it is perfect. When I tell you, once I go in the sun, this is gonna look so good, you will see. So make sure you guys check the description below. The wig will be there, their website will be there as well. And thanks again to BeautyForever for sending this beautiful 7x5 closure wig. Absolutely love it. And the pre-curls, oh, look at that, so nice. So you guys can check their website and you will see the wig. See you guys.
This one I better do me, I no get time. Dada cover my face, calling me Biggie man, we do, yeah,